It's your Pokemon?
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah. Pressure Wink. We got Lekabud. Ooh, a Garchomp. Bye bye.
No! My Pokemon! My Garchomp! He stole my Garchomp! Police, Jim!
Oh, what is it? Honey, what is it? What is it, honey?
Boyfriend, he stole my Garchomp! Stop stealing my Garchomp!
All right, let's go. Ow!
Oh no,
Stop!
there he is!
Ah! Get stuck! Get stuck! Stuck!
Stuck is stuck.
Get the Garchomp! All right. Hold him down. I'm gonna give it Murray. All right, I got him. All right, let's take him to jail.
Go! Ah, I got my Garchomp back.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
All right, take him to jail.
No!
All right, so
I'm stuck. I want to go jail again. Where's my day?
your
Where's
daddy,
my day?
he's in jail too.
Wait, what?
Yeah, he did a crime.
Daddy!
No! Get stuck.
Stop! I'm stuck again. I'm stuck again.
Why are you stuck?
See ya.
It's stuck, Brandy. No, stuck. I'm too tired.
Son, come here.
Bed.
Stuck. I am your dad, father.
Bed.
Yes. Son!
I think he stole my Pokemon again. Get in!
Son, come in jail. I wanted to show you something. All right. Stuck! It's me, your father. Come in jail. Stuck! I'm your father. Stuck! I'm your father. Come in the bushes. Stuck! I'm your father. Come in the bushes. Stuck! Son! Son! Come here! I'm gonna trick it. Oh, I need to get out. Stuck! You're going to jail!
No, don't take him to jail. He's nice.
Why are you hanging out with him?
Because he's nice now.
He did a
See, look
crime.
how all this cool Pokemon he has. He even got a $2.
Hey, stop me, Stuck.
Oh my God, where I
Hey, can you slap me, Stuck?
Oh.
Oh man, hello there. Oh, hi, Stuck.
Who is this? Oh God, Voice Square!
Ah!
Get out of here! See,
Oh my gosh, you got Garchomp.
I got my period.
Yes! Help me! I can't breathe.
Did you get your Pokemon back? Okay, that's good.
Oh, hello.
I am a cat, man. I have a choke. I am a choke, and I am a choke, and I need I have
Oh.
this stupid one. Stop taking my Pokemon!
Man, I had a long day. I just feel like making a crime, you know?
You're a punk.
Oh.
Punk.
Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck.
Purple Freddy keeps stealing my Pokemon.
Oh. These are pretty cool cards.
Yeah. Leafeon.
Wow, these are cool, Stuck.
I look at my Gengar.
Whoa, that's a cool Gengar.
It's shiny. It's really cool. I got one stuff.
I'm just gonna take a rest for a minute. Ah!
Alright, long day again.
What's up?
What's up, little boy?
Oh no! Wait,
I'm not your brother, okay? So I just wanted to tell you, I like Pikachu. I like that Pikachu.
Daddy.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello, day. Oh, hey, Bonnie. I'm stuck.
Oh, hey, Stuck. Oh, hey, Stuck. Who keeps stealing your Pokemon? Purple Freddy! Why does he keep stealing your Pokemon? Here. Here. Why does he keep stealing your Pokemon? Hey, you want to go in jail?
Son! Come here. In the bushes. Son. Stuck, I'm talking to you. Son,
Johnny,
come in the bushes.
No, Daddy. You've been rude to me all my life. You been being rude to me when I was little.
stay over
You
here.
better stop it, you little pug. I don't care about you anymore, Daddy.
I apologize, son. Just come in the bushes. I have something to show you.
No!
I have something to show you.
I don't care.
Please. Please, son. I don't want to be in jail anymore.
I don't care, Daddy. Well, I don't have enough money
Come
to
in
get
with
you a-
me.
No!
Come in.
Why are your leaves in my binder?
Okay. You want to play it the hard way? I'll just take your friend. Wait, what?
Help! Help! Stuck! Help! Stuck! Help! No! Oh! 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 Stuck! Help! Oh. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Son, I just want to have a word with you. I just wanted to have a word.
You see this little spider? You know what? I'm gonna have this spider come to real life and poke you and bite your head off.
Son,
Hey, what? My daddy's white. What? What?
son,
And how am I black and you're white? What color was mommy? What color was mommy?
I'm sorry, but you were adopted.
What? You're not my daddy now.
No, we adopted you.
We adopted you.
That means you're not my real daddy.
Well, I adopted you.
Well, that still means that you're not my real daddy.
Your real daddy's in heaven.
I killed him. I'm sorry.
Hate you, daddy. Daddy is a butthole. Daddy is a big fat butthole. I hate daddy.
Son, I just wanted to have a word with you.
You shut up, daddy. You shut up, daddy.
Son, I know what. Son, I'm sorry for beating you all the time. I'm sorry for beating on you.
I need to share pee-pee.
Are you black?
Yeah, were you my road die, Sheriff Pee-Pee?
I'm sorry to say, but yes.
Sheriff Pee-Pee might die.
Yes, I was named after your grandpa. Grandpa Pee-Pee.
Hey, Sheriff Pee-Pee's not dying. I love you, Sheriff Pee-Pee.
I should have never set you up for adoption.
But he said you were dead.
He's a liar.
He said my daddy was dead.
He's a liar.
I don't know why he said that, Daddy. Neither do me. But you know why? When you were a baby, I took this hand, squeezed your nipple really hard. You know why? Because you weren't listening to me.
You ugly. Oh.
Get out of my daddy!
I'm your mother.
Like what? What? Yes. What? 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 Ah, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Son. There you go, son.
Why you guys name me stuck if his name's Sheriff Pee-Pee and your name's Sassy Pee-Pee?
Because stuck.
I'm stuck Pee-Pee then?
Yep.
I don't like the Pee-Pee in my name. Yeah, I guess well. It's probably because you call me Dad because I got a big Pee-Pee.
You're going to hell. Son.
Get him, Dad. Beat him up, Dad. Beat him up. Let's get him, Dad. Beat him up. Good job, Dad.
Son. Son, it's my mother.
Not my daddy.
Son. Son. Help me. Help me, son. Son, it's me, your mother.
Daddy, are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. Go check on mommy.
You stupid.
Go check on mommy.
You're never named Jeff Pee-Pee. You're just a little punk. Alright, go check on Mommy, Daddy, okay? You okay, Mommy? Sassy, Mrs. Pee-Pee.
Just call me mom.
Okay,
Just,
get up.
I'm about to die. He stabbed me. Just always remember this. I love you.
Mommy dead.
Nine! No,
Nine! Nine!
What is it, son?
Mommy
Son.
died! Mommy died! Mommy died!
What?
Mommy died!
What? No. Wake up. No, wake up. Wake up. No. No. On a beat is. You. Help me. Oh, son.
Sheriff Pee-Pee, you're not dead. And guess what? Mommy's not dead either. I was just playing around. But Jim really hurt me, though.
Yeah, Jim is a butthole. Is mommy okay?
Thank you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
Aw. We love you too. Hey guys! This was the end of the video, so...
Mama, I thought Jim was my
Alright guys, so we gotta end it quick because it's about the end of the video, so I'll see ya. Bye!